Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm planning to do a look a little bit dark related or more towards those darker colors, and I'm going to use the 39A palette by Morphe. This is the Dare to Create palette. I have used it before for at least 2 looks. It comes with this plastic sleeve to give you all the colors of that are in the palette, so that's pretty helpful. Today I plan to go into the color Frame, which is over here on the left side of the palette. So Bear is probably gonna help clean out some of the color Frame, that way it looks a little less strong. And then we may go into the color Muse, which is a black color. Again, same thing for like other neutral palettes, you can probably get the same colors. So I'm just going to be taking on my e.l.f. blending brush, taking some of that color Bear, dusting off the excess, and applying it on the lid. Eyeshadow covers from Primark, so I really do love using these for certain looks like this because I'm planning to kind of smoke it out. This is the smallest, as you can see, and then this is the biggest. I like using the biggest size when I try to smoke out stuff. Now this protects the eyeshadow from falling on your face. Take Frame again on the same brush, it's fine, and I'm just going to be applying it more towards the inner corner of my eyelid and a little bit towards the inner of my eyelid. Again, this is a little bit of a darker look. It's going to be smoked out. For some reason, I don't know if you can see it, but it's a little patchy. You know, you just work with it and try to blend it out. I'm gonna go into my Morphe E37 brush to smoke out this look. So I'm gonna go into the color Bear and just go around the edges of Frame to smoke it out a little. Kind of clean up the edges. The brown is pretty well blended. I'm going to go into slice a little bit, and I'm going to put that in my crease. And this is just to deepen up the crease a little, giving it some dimension. I like to do a little trick where I like to put the dark right here. That way when I take it off, it's a nice cut. So I'm just going to do that a little bit. It's almost like creating like an eyeliner, because soon when we do apply the eyeliner, it's going to follow this. We're just going to not have anything on it and just blend out this eyeshadow that we applied. That way there's no harsh lines. make sure it all looks really kind of married together. E36 brush, and I'm gonna go into the color Muse, which is that black that we had talked about. So I'm just gonna dust that off a little bit, and I'm gonna add it to my crease. I just want to darken it up even more. I'm gonna go really light with the black because after that there's no return. And then a little bit with that little trick for the edge over here for when we do the eyeliner later. I'm just gonna blend out so there's no harsh lines. So there's the eye already done. Then I'm just gonna move on to the other eye and I'll be right back. So now we have both eyes done. I went along and I added some eyeliner. So to continue, we're going to use the same colors that we have already used. We're going to use, again, the E36 brush. And we're going to slowly work our way up. And we're going to go in with Bare, where we started. Dust off the excess and apply it below. Color Frame. In the outer corner, I'm going to go into the color Slice. This is just to add some dimension at the outer corner. So I'm just going to kind of smoke it out a little more. And just blend everything together. So as you can see, I went in with the Fenty liner and I just added some black under the eye just to give it a more dramatic look. I will continue to just smoke out the bottom. I'm just gonna take the color, this is from Sephora, this is the color Movie Popcorn. And I just take it up here to highlight the brow bone. And this is the e.l.f. brush, precision brush that I used earlier. Just gonna add some final touches, finish up here and there, and then we'll go into the review for the 39A palette.
This look is now complete. I put lipstick from Stila in the color Natty. And I used Camisole lashes by Kiss, and I finished my eyebrows, added some highlight, and added more contour.
1, 2, 3, 4 colors today to create this look. You can do that with almost any neutral palette, really. I have used the greens. I did really like the greens. They're really pretty. I haven't used any of these colors over here. As a palette, was it worth it? Maybe not so much. Just because it does carry a lot of neutral tones that you can find in any other Morphe palette or any other palette in general. The quality is really nice and you get all these colors. It's not for travel, that's for sure. It's a really big palette, but it's definitely nice. So,
please like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you like this video, and stay tuned for more videos to come.